Hi students, today we are going to solve the problem number 3. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So very simple and very interesting and also very important numerical problem. You see, this is the circular path. The diameter of the circular path is denoted by AB, that is equal to 200 meter. It is given. So diameter is equal to AB, that is equal to 200 meter. That is twice the radius is equal to 200 meter. Therefore, what is the radius of the circle? R is equal to how much? 100 meter. Have you understood this first? The radius of the circle is equal to 100 meter. You tell me, how will you find the circumference of the circle? What is the formula? The circumference, okay? So, circumference C is equal to 2 pi R. So, this is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is equal to 100. So, this is equal to 100. Now, this is 22 into 2 is 44. So, this is 44 into 100 is 4400 divided by 7 meter. This is the circumference. You keep that fraction as it is. Don't divide now itself, because this can be cancelled in the coming steps. So, first you have to understand the radius of the circle is indirectly given as 100 meter. From that we have to determine the circumference. Okay, one full circle, to complete one full circle, how much time the athlete has taken is 40 seconds. So in 40 seconds, the athlete returns back to A. In another 40 seconds, again he will come back to A. Like that, in the given time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds, where he will be, where the position of the athlete we have to find out. Okay, students? So, now the time, okay, the time taken by the athlete is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. So, this is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So, this is equal to 2 into 60, 2 into 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. So, this is equal to 2 into 60 is how much? 120 seconds plus this 20 seconds. Now, the time taken to complete one circle is 40, is it not? Therefore, in 120, how many 40s are there? Yes, it is 3. Therefore, I will write this for my convenience. I am writing for my convenience. So, this 120 is written as 40 second plus 40 second plus 40 second, 120 second plus additional 20 second. Okay, in 40 seconds, how many circle the athlete will complete? Yes, it is one circle. Then, in another 40, 1 plus 1, 2 circles. In the third slot of 40 seconds, another 1 circle. So, in 120 seconds, he is completing 1, 2, 3. 3 full circles. Naturally, in the remaining 20 seconds, how much circle he must have completed? Yes, half circle only. Good. So, totally, in this time of 120 plus 20 seconds, how many circles? So, this corresponds to, this corresponds to how many circles means 3.5 circle. Okay, 3.5 circles. So, the athlete has initially started at A. Okay, he passes through B and comes back to A in 40 seconds. In another 40 seconds, he will come back to A. In the third interval 40 seconds, again he will be at A. In the additional 20 seconds, where he will be? Yes, his position will be at B. Understand? So, now total Okay, what is asked? Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled must be equal to, is equal to 3.5. Okay, 3 1 by 2 times the circumference. 3.5 times the circumference. 3.5 is once again what is 7 by 2. So it is 7 by 2 times the circumference. So the distance traveled is equal to 7 by 2 into the circumference is 4400 by 7. So this is 4400 divided by 7. I told you no, you keep it as it is, a fraction, so that the 7 can be cancelled easily. So these two after getting cancelled, this is equal to 4400 by 2. So this is equal to 2200. Therefore, the total distance travelled is equal to 2200 meter. So this is one part of the answer. So what will be the distance covered? The distance covered is equal to how much? 2200 meter. Okay children, now after the athlete has completed 3.5 circles, where will be his final position? Final position will be at B, is it not? So if initial position, okay, initial position is equal to A, and final position after the given time is equal to B. Now how will you find the displacement of the athlete? We have to join which two points? A and B. Understand? So after the given time of 2 minutes and 20 seconds, the position of the athlete will be at B. So I am joining A and B. The straight line AB is nothing but equal to what? The diameter of the circle. Is it not? Therefore, displacement, okay, the displacement must be equal to the diameter 200 meter. So this is equal to 200 meter. This is the remaining part of the answer. Okay children, suppose if they give the time in another 40 seconds, means where he will be, he will complete the circle and he will back at A itself. So starting point and initial point will be the same. In such a case, the displacement will be equal to how much? 0. Distance is equal to how much? 4 times the circumference. So do not mug up such solutions to the problems. So for different time taken, you assume if it is 30 seconds, if it is 40 seconds, like that, and you have to try that. Understand? I hope you must have understood this numerical problem well. Fine.